Hello everyone, welcome to SoftGPT, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to integrate an API key from ChatGPT. Well, you can use another LLM like Google Gemini or Claude, but in this tutorial, OpenAI ChatGPT ang aking gagamitin to connect an API key from their platform. Para saan ba itong API key na to? Bakit kailangan natin gumamit ng ChatGPT? Siyempre, ang gusto natin yung responses, replies, chats ng sa ating mga clients or customers is automated by AI. Pag ginamit kasi natin itong automated responses using keyword, no? There are some instances na may mga questions yung mga clients or customers natin na hindi na-detect gamit yung keyword na nilagay ninyo. But using this AI tech or ChatGPT API key, kahit hindi yan na-detect ng automated responses na nilagay mo or keywords na nilagay mo, automatic meron niyang nire-reply. And it's very human-like ang kanyang mga replies, no? So, you don't need to integrate automated responses. All you need to do kung gusto mo ng AI automated is integrate API key from ChatGPT. So, just click settings, integration, and then OpenAI ChatGPT. Click connect, and then you just need to input the API key na ibibigay sa atin or makukuha natin dito sa OpenAI ChatGPT. First, kailangan pumunta ka dito sa kanilang website, OpenAI or platform.openai.com. Yan. And then if you don't have an account, pwede ka mag-sign up. And if you have an account already, then ilagin mo lang siya. But in this case, since new account ito, yon, so mag-sign up tayo. I assume na wala pa kayong mga platform accounts or accounts sa platform ni ChatGPT at hindi nyo pa nasubukan kung paano mag-generate ng API keys. Now, click continue. And if you're inside their platform, meron ka nang makikita dito na, ayan, tell us about you. So, say, this is for SoftGPT. It's all about, gagamitin ko kasi ito sa other tutorial pa. So, SoftGPT ang ilalagay ko dyan. But if your business ay, ito, yung in example natin kanina na kusina, you can use kusina. Okay? Okay, so just input your birthday, and then agree, and then your organization. So, pwede yung business ninyo, wala magiging problem dyan. So, for me, this is for SoftGPT. Okay, what best describes you, not technical, and then create organization. After makapag-create ng organization, you can skip this one, continue, and then dito mo pwedeng palitan yung pangalan ng business mo, kusina. So, maglalagay na ako dito. This is the API key name. If you have multiple Facebook pages na gustong createan ng API key soon, then dito mo siya ilalagay. So, project name, you can customize it with your own preference. Pero sa akin, ganyan na yan. And then, click Generate API key. Okay, so you can copy this. Again, pwede mong i-paste yan dito. But, kung hindi ka bibili ng credit, hindi magpa-function yung AI natin because there are limitations dito sa free OpenAI. So you need to purchase at least $5 credit. But don't worry, yung $5 credit na yon, 2 million words na yon or inputs na yon. So hindi mo kayang ubusin yon in a month or even 3 months kung hindi naman thousands of clients ang nare-receive mo every day, no? So, reminder, if you copy an API key, kailangan mo siyang i-save sa notepad o di kaya sa docs kasi isang beses lang ito magpapakita. Okay? So, click continue and then pwede kang magsimula dito sa $5 credits. And then, you just need to click purchase credits and then ilagay mo lang yung add payment method mo, yung payment method, your card number, expiration date, CVV, yun yung nasa likod niya, and then yung pangalan mo, and then your region, address for the billing, and then click add payment. And then, i-pay mo lang siya, and then pag successfully na yan, In this video, hindi ko na siya ipipurchase because we have already purchased credits sa platform na ito. Once na nabili mo na ito, 5 credits, pwede ka nang mag-generate or mag-paste ng panibagong API key. Okay, sa mga meron namang account na dito sa platform and nasubukan nyo na before mag-create ng API key, you just need to go sa dashboard and then click API keys. Ito yung create natin kanina for Kusina. You just need to generate another secret key, okay, for this API key. And then, let's say, your another business, say, Resto Bar. Okay, default project, yun yung project na create ko kanina, create secret key. Okay, then pwede mo rin yung i-copy for another AI automation. But don't worry, hindi mo na kailangang bumili ng additional $5 credit. Kahit ilang API or secret key ang i-create mo dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-create ng another purchase ng credits from ChatGPT. Now, let's proceed sa setting. If you guys remember, meron tayong kinapi kanina na API key. Dito nyo lang siya ilalagay. And then, dito na papasok ngayon yung first command natin. This will serve as the brain of the SoftGPT platform. And that is for another video tutorial. And that's it. So, ganun mag-connect ng API key. So, you just need to click continue. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to program, how to train the brain, how to train the main GPT ng ating platform. So see you!